Hi Ray, we've got a glitch that we've found with the MapPress markers. So essentially, um, if I go to the region marker and click favorite to make them all green, and then switch the color to gray, 1, 2, doesn't really matter, such as that, and then log out, and then log back in. We used a new eMember account just to make sure there wasn't something to do with an old login or whatever. But once we log out and log back in, you can see that the streaky bays are blue. So if I zoom in, we have green and grey. In this condition, if any satellite marker is green, the region marker should be green. And this applies to, I did it to this one as well. You can see that there's green markers, but that's still blue. So selecting favorite on all, and then switch color to grey on a couple of satellites, logging out and logging back in, that's the glitch. So if you could have a look at that, that would be great. Okay, thanks Ray, cheers.